Fisher Construction Limited orders an adapted standard kitchen and prepares an installation plan. Mrs. Fisher logs into the B2B portal of the kitchen supplier. She makes a new order and chooses the basic kitchen for the house in question. First, she fills in the order details. Mrs. Fisher changes the kitchen according to the customer's wishes. The customer has chosen for electric cooking. Mrs. Fisher chooses for an installation plan so that it becomes clear which connection points must be available. The installation plan is automatically created and presented. She adds a double wall socket for lighting by herself. She then chooses to include all views in the drawing package. Mrs. Fisher orders the kitchen and receives the drawings by email. Mrs. Fisher closes the B2B portal.